All right, guys. Welcome to our first week of distance learning. I know that it's a short week. We've got 2 days, but I wanted to get this video out. I'm going to continue to do this so that you can check in when you need to, even though we will get to see each other twice a week, which I'm excited about. Just kind of wanted to keep some of our normal routines going. So this is one of them. So taking a look at the weekly plan, we have something really exciting happening on Friday this week. So I wanted to talk a little bit about that, but then also talk through what to do when I don't see you. All right, so on the 12th is periods 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so I don't get to see you that day. I did want to give you some things to think about doing so that you can, utilize that time. Okay, I think the most important thing for Thursday is to catch up. There are some people that really are behind and need this time to get back on track, so please utilize that time. If you do complete things and you turn them in for this class into Schoology, it is extremely important that you send me a Schoology message saying, hey, Mr. Christman, I completed homework number 5, or whatever the case is, so that I know that I need to go back and grade that. So that is the priority for Thursday, is to catch up. If you're all caught up and you've got some extra time in the afternoon, there are a couple of things that I'd like you to do. The first is to make sure you've got 3 questions for Dr. Hastings, because we will talk to him on Friday together. I've been posting in the updates a link to that document. I will post it in the link in the update for Thursday as well. So please get those questions in there. He's really excited to talk to you guys. And, in my experience, when it comes to interviews and talking to professionals, the more questions we have for them, the more we're going to get out of it and the more entertaining it's going to be. So please get those questions in there. Take a look at what your classmates have already posted and try to ask different questions. And then the last thing that I just wanted to make sure you guys knew about is enrichment opportunities for this class. So in Schoology, in the different weekly folders, there might be some sort of enrichment article or video or something like that. So for example, last week, if you found the content interesting, there was an enrichment article about parental care. This is going to take you to an academic journal, so an example of what reading is like at the highest level of science. And in this case, this is coming from Science Magazine, and it's about how avian, so modern day bird parental care, had origins with the dinosaurs, and it walks us through some evidence and data, and so this is a really good way to kind of introduce yourself to what reading and journal writing is like at the highest level. So there are some of those throughout the different folders. And then the last thing here is this theropod enrichment materials down there at the very bottom. Okay. And what you'll see are a bunch of different folders. And when you open those folders, let's take, for example, non-avian theropods. So these are theropods that are extinct, and I tap on this topic, videos and readings. It's going to take you to a Google folder that has readings. So the reading is here, and then you've got some videos to watch if you have the time and want to learn a little bit more about those types of topics. And you're learning from this guy right here, Phil Curry, who is one of the best dinosaur paleontologists of our generation. So those are down here at the bottom in the theropod enrichment materials. Okay. Otherwise, when it comes to our weekly plan, on Friday, when I see you right away in the morning at 9 o'clock, we are going to have Dr. Hastings with us. He's from the Science Museum in Minnesota. He's going to spend some time just kind of first presenting to everybody what his job's like, research that he's done, what it's like to be a vertebrate paleontologist that works not in or at a university. There's a lot of options. We'll have some back and forth, some questions, and then when the interview is over, we're going to take a look at one of his, not just him, but his team's coolest discoveries, Titanoboa. So we'll watch a quick little video and then have a discussion. Okay, so that's the week this week. Please utilize your time. Send me messages if you're confused or have questions. Take a look at that enrichment stuff if you have the time, and be excited for our interview with Dr. Hastings. All right, so have a great week, and we'll see you.